Welcome back. In the last topic of chapter 1, it talks about the different career paths that are available to individuals that have a background with accounting. There's many different degrees that you can get along the way in accounting, right? You can get your undergraduate degree in accounting, you can get an advanced degree in accounting, either at the master's or doctorate level, and you can also get numerous professional licenses. And so depending on what you acquire there, here are just a sampling of the different career paths that are open to you. A profession in auditing, taxation, financial accounting, which we're talking about this semester, consulting work. If you prefer more of the technology piece of things, information technologies and systems might be a good career path. Financial planning, managerial accounting, and entrepreneurship. Again, just a smattering. There are many, many more career paths that either have accounting as the main emphasis or as just a foundation in them. So it is a good career path, one that affords good pay and good security, if that's ever something that you're interested in. Accounting is anticipated to grow in demand, so the accounting profession has anticipated growth. 6% was the last figure I saw, which is right in line with the national average. It is considered an in-demand career. So meaning graduates are able to secure jobs right out of college. And it has high-paying salaries in the Bay Area and New York areas. Have some of the highest salaries for accountants. So just kind of some fun facts about the profession job outlook. Okay, where could you expect to work? You have lots of different options again. You could work in a public accounting firm, for private corporations. So if you wanted to work for Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, right? All those private companies or public companies, they need accountants, right? To help record their revenues, their expenditures, calculate their net income, all of that. You could work for government entities, you could work for the IRS, you could work for the state franchise tax board, and make sure that you're collecting the proper taxes from different individuals and organizations. Or a growing area, especially around here, are not-for-profit entities. So even non-for-profit entities need accountants because they have to measure what are we receiving in donations, what are we spending on our service that we are organized to accomplish, right? But there is a special type of accounting that you need to study if you are going to pursue nonprofit organizations because they run by different rules than financial accounting. Okay, so lots of career paths open to you. So if it's something that piques your interest, feel free to explore it. Let me write down some of the professional certifications that are available. The biggest, most recognizable professional certification you've probably heard of, CPA, Certified Public Accountant. It is recognized around the world. It's very prestigious. About less than half of the individuals that take the CPA exam end up passing. It has a lower pass rate than the bar for lawyers. CMA, CFA, Certified Internal Auditor, Certified Fraud Examiner, Enrolled Agent. There are so many different certifications. So you kind of just have to see after you complete your undergrad, what do you want to specialize in, right? If you want to go into auditing profession, CPA would be recommended. If you want to work for a corporation, CMA would be recommended. Certified what is this one? Chartered Financial Accountant. That one is larger, more popular in other parts of the world. Europe, for example. CIA, Certified Internal Auditor. That could be good, again, if you want to work for a private corporation and you also want to bring in some auditing work. That could be a good certification. This would be for fraud examining. If you're really interested, maybe you have like a legal background or something like that, that could be interesting. Enrolled agent would be for tax. So it just kind of depends on what avenue you want to pursue. And then there is a specialized license that you could apply for and get to, again, make you more marketable and attractive for that particular profession. So if you have any questions about those, feel free to let me know. And we're done with chapter 1. Make sure you do your participation assignments and complete your chapter 1 quiz by the due date.